Today we're taking a look at the Potdevin LM series label gluer, and this one happens to be a 10-inch machine, and we'll take a look at some of the basic functions, and then later on we'll take a look at filling as well as cleanup of the machine. So in the LM series, if we remove the top tray here, you can see this is your adhesive reservoir. We have the motor, and on the LM these top rollers are driven. You can see we have a drive to the main roller, and then these top rollers are also connected into that, so that helps drive through your label material right through the machine. These are your pick-off points so that your labels don't follow the roller around, they just get picked off. Over here we have the glue thickness adjustment, and what that's going to do is move that doctor blade in and out. So that's going to control how much adhesive you're going to be putting on your label. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up, and we'll run a couple labels through it. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put in some adhesive. What I'm going to put in is going to be a resin polymer adhesive, and this would be if you need to label non-porous materials like a plastic bottle or a glass bottle. Could be a wine bottle, anything other than a porous surface like corrugated. We're going to use a resin-based adhesive. If we were just labeling corrugated, putting a label on a box, something like that, then we can use a dextrin adhesive. And benefits of a dextrin starch-based adhesive is those can stay in the pot actually overnight. You know, just covering the machine with a plastic bag, the adhesive won't set up on the rollers and on the materials in there. So there's a benefit to that. If you are just doing corrugated, then use a dextrin adhesive. Then you can just cover the machine. You don't have to be cleaning it out every evening. We're going to go ahead and put in the resin. Now that the adhesive is in the pot, we can go ahead and turn it on and then make some rough adjustments as far as how much adhesive is going to be coming on the roller. So you can see there we don't have much adhesive at all, and as I turn the dial, it's going to increase the gap between this doctor blade and increase the amount of adhesive. We usually don't need much, so we're going to set it back a little ways, and then we'll go ahead and run it. Put a label through. And there you can see our coating of adhesive. Now we'll take a look at the cleanup procedure. We'll remove our top plate. And on the LM machine, instead of having a removable tray, the entire gluing section is going to go to the sink to be cleaned out. And the way that's done, we're just going to lift it off and disconnect it from the dry belt. Now with this, you can just pour your adhesive back into your container and then take the whole thing over to the sink and rinse everything out real well. It's important to get that very clean at the end of the day so you don't have any adhesive buildup. And that's about it for the LM series machine.